This is a used 2005 Chrysler Pacifica, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include leather seats, a HomeLink system, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, anti-lock brakes. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Mike Bass Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 5050 Detroit Road, Sheffield Village, Ohio 44035.